Ooh, sunburn. It was as red as a sweatshirt. Wow. Watch out for that sun. Spent some time with my mother on her 81st birthday. Nice. My 58th birthday coming up on Monday. Happy birthday to me. Spending it in my favorite place in the world, Clayton, New York. When you're lobster man, sunburn, you're sweating, it's like little fireballs on your head. Ow! Ow! 17 minutes in, it feels like an hour 17. Sun's a drainer. Don't matter, gotta put the work in. Hard work, hard work, hard work. Starting to soak into that little sweatshirt right there. It's a good sign. Starting to touch the bulldog's head. That's always a good sign. Drip, drip, soaked. Who let the dog shout? I did.